Hello baby products retailer, importer, wholesaler, and distributor. Welcome to our factory. We are a leading manufacturer of high-quality handmade crochet baskets made from t-shirt yarn. With over 30 years of experience in the industry, we specialize in crafting durable, eco-friendly baskets that are not only functional but also stylish. At our factory, we use t-shirt yarn, a sustainable and strong material, to create beautiful crochet baskets for various uses, from home storage to baby products. Our baskets are known for their sturdiness, soft texture, and flexibility, making them a favorite for many businesses worldwide. We pride ourselves on our craftsmanship and attention to detail, ensuring each basket meets the highest standards. Whether you're looking for baby baskets, storage baskets, or decorative pieces, we offer complete customization options. You can choose the color, size, and style that best suits your needs. Our skilled artisans work meticulously to produce each piece, and we can create unique designs tailored to your specific requirements. We also offer private labeling, perfect for brands looking to add their own touch. If you're looking to partner with a reliable and trustworthy supplier for your crochet basket needs, contact us today. Let us help you grow your business with our beautiful, durable, and customizable crochet baskets made from t-shirt yarn.